Picture stepping into a pristine showroom and locking eyes with the legendary 1998 Dodge Charger R/T SIXPACK, its classic lines perfectly preserved. Every detail gleaming under full white lights, the green machine color shining like it just rolled off the assembly line, commanding attention with a presence only true muscle cars can deliver. From the aggressive front grille, dual hood scoops, and sharp headlights to the sculpted fenders and wide stance, this car radiates power and performance. An icon frozen in time, yet ready to roar back to life, evoking adrenaline, nostalgia, and sheer respect from any enthusiast who approaches it. The description alone cannot capture the thrill of this 1998 beast, the legendary V8 engine with the rare six-pack induction, triple two-barrel carburetors tuned for explosive acceleration, and a growl that echoes decades of muscle car dominance, all wrapped in a frame that has become a symbol of American automotive excellence. While the polished chrome wheels, low-slung body, and meticulously maintained exterior reflect the pure craftsmanship and care that went into this classic. Imagine standing before the rear, noticing the dual exhaust tips, aggressive rear diffuser, and sleek taillights glinting under bright showroom lighting, the suspense building, as you picture what it feels like to grip the wheel, press the accelerator, and hear the heart of the R/T SIXPACK come alive. Can you even imagine the thrill of experiencing the legendary 1998 Dodge Charger R/T SIXPACK green machine color? Its engine rumbling, every line reflecting under full white lights, as if challenging the modern cars around it to keep up? As you move along its side, the smooth, flowing lines, pronounced wheel arches, and long, muscular profile emphasize both elegance and raw power. Every angle a testament to the timeless design philosophy of Dodge, while the roof and hood contours highlight the aggressive aerodynamics that made it a performance legend. Front three-quarter shots reveal the perfect combination of stance, hood scoops, and fender flares, while rear three-quarter angles showcase the rear fascia, trunk lines, and the car's commanding road presence. Every reflection under the white showroom lights enhancing its legendary silhouette. Step inside, and the interior offers a perfect blend of 1990s muscle car spirit and functional design. The driver-focused dashboard, racing-inspired bucket seats, classic steering wheel, and original instrumentation make every detail a tactile memory of the era, while the leather and polished trim invite you to sit, feel, and connect with the vehicle like a true enthusiast. Mid-video, as we explore the cabin and engine bay, notice the meticulous detailing, the triple two-barrel carburetors, polished valve covers, air intake, and clean engine bay show an untouched level of care, while the interior door panels, controls, and instrumentation remind you why this car remains a coveted classic. Have you ever imagined holding the steering wheel of a 1998 Dodge Charger /T SIXPACK, feeling the heritage of American muscle in every line, every rumble, and every reflection? The second hook captures your attention instantly. The green machine color gleaming under pristine white lights, emphasizing curves, edges, stepping into a pristine design showroom, reminding eyes with the legendary 1998 and their power never diminishes. R/T the experience angle immerses you fully, perfectly preserved. You open the door, slide into the bucket gleaming under full white lights, and feel a green machine color shining like it just rolled off the assembly line. Every lever movement, commanding attention with a presence, reminding you that this car is more than metal. From the aggressive front grille, legacy, dual hood scoops, rolled into sharp headlights to the strategic fenders and wide stance, or experiencing this car radiates power and performance. Dodge Charger, an icon frozen in time, means being part of history, back to life, preserving evoking the essence of muscle car culture, and while appreciating the unmatched combination of style, power, and engineering that few vehicles the thrill of this 1998 not just a car, the legendary V8 engine in motion with the rare six-pack induction. The system is a two-barrel carburetor, the legendary V8 explosive acceleration, and a growl that echoes decades of muscle car dominance, power, all wrapped in a frame that has become a symbol of American automotive excellence. Fuel delivery optimized, and every mechanical component calibrated to deliver the ultimate maintained exterior reflects the pure craftsmanship and care that went into this classic. And drivetrain, imagine standing before the rear, providing confidence, the dual exhaust tips, and exhilarating rear diffuser, and while the engine's growl glinting under bright showroom lighting, the capturing attention as you picture what it feels like to grip the wheel, press the accelerator, emotionally, and hear the heart of the Dodge Charger R/T SIXPACK connects you to decades of automotive thrill of experiencing the legendary 1998 classic lines in the unmistakable presence evoke memories, nostalgia, and the thrill of American muscle at its peak. Every line creating a bond that transcends mere ownership, as if challenging the modern cars around it to keep up. Model, as you move along its side, integrates engineering precision flowing with timeless pronounced wheel arches, the six-pack induction system, profile, precision suspension geometry, elegance, and raw high performance. Every angle a testament to the timeless design philosophy of Dodge, while the roof and hood contours highlight the aggressive aerodynamics that Aggressive steering demonstrate innovation of its time. Three-quarter shots reveal the perfect combination of seating ergonomics, hood scoops, and build quality create a driving experience that feels both raw showcase the rear fascia, bridging classic muscle car engineering with commanding road usability. Every reflection under the white acceleration, lights enhancing its straight line performance is executed flawlessly, and the interior highlighted under the full white lighting of the showroom, making the reflections and lines pop in hyper-realistic clarity. The driver focused dashboard, just when you think the experience racing-inspired bucket seats, the surprise ending steering wheel, the 1998 Dodge Charger make every detail a tactile memory of the era. Is not just a car and polished it's a living legend. Invite you to sit, a machine that challenges time, connect with the vehicle, hearts like a true and commands respect. Mid-video, reminding as viewers that the cabin and engine dies. Notice the meticulous detailing. This classic is more than a drive. Carburetors. It's a journey into the essence of American automotive greatness. Engine bay show an untouched level of care, and an unforgettable connection. Interior door panel, SEO controls, and instrumentation remind you why this car remains a coveted classic. Have you ever imagined holding the steering wheel of a 1998 Dodge Charger /T6 American muscle car? Feeling the heritage of American muscle in every line, Dodge Charger interior, and every reflection. Dodge Charger exterior captures your attention. Classic car collection. The green machine-colored, gleaming under pristine white lights, emphasizing curves, American edges, classic and aggressive design, Dodge automotive reminding history, viewers that some classics never fade and their power never diminishes. The experience angle immerses you fully. This is PowerLux. You open the door, slide into the bucket seat, grip the wheel, for more unstoppable visceral connection.